Let's look at this question now. Piyush set up a code that has 5 characters. These 5 characters has at least one letter A to Z, one number 0 to 9, and one symbol. These 4 symbols are given. The code is made of 5 characters which belong to these 3 categories only. Hints given by Piyush to crack the code are as follows. The code starts and ends with characters of the same category. This is that is either letters or symbols. The second and the second last characters are from the same category, that is letters, symbols, or numbers. No two adjacent characters are from the same category. All the characters are different. Okay, so we have to assume the cases. Let's see, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters, right? So in first case, the code start and ends with characters of same category. So either first and last could be letters or symbols. So I'm assuming that first and last are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 more cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see in first case, I can have first as letter, last as letter, right? First as letter, last as letter. Then second case would be that in first place I could have symbol, and in last place also I could have symbol. Then second and second last are from letter, symbol, and number. Okay, so I cannot take letter here. Either it would be symbol or a number. So I'm taking first K as symbol. So this must be a number. Middle one must be a number because all the characters are different and no two adjacent characters are from same category. Okay, just writing this same category, LL, writing here number and number. It could be possible that second and second last are numbers. So middle one would be symbol. And in this case, when first and last are symbol, this could be letter and this could be letter. So middle one would be a number. Or if these are symbols and these are numbers, middle one would be a letter, right? And let's just write the number of ways to fill these positions. So I have 26 letters to choose from and 25 because I cannot repeat these characters. Symbols, there are 4 symbols. I can fill this place in 4 ways, in 3 ways. Numbers are 10. So the total cases would be 25 into 4, 100, 26 into 3, 78, 780, 00. Okay. For second case, I could have 26 in 25 ways, number 10 and 9 ways, and symbols in 4 ways. So this would be 2400, 90 into 26. So 26 into 9 would be 4, 5, 2, 3. So this would be 2, 3, 4, 0, 00. Now, I can fill symbols in how many? 4 ways, and in 3 ways I can fill symbols. Now letters in 26 and 25 and numbers in 10 ways. So it is as good as this first case. It must be equal to 78,000. Now symbols 4 and 3, numbers 10 and 9, and letters 26. So I could have 26, right? 26 into 3 would be 78, or let me just write it as 4 and 3, 12. 26 into 9 is 234. 234, 0 into 12. That would be 0, 8, 4. 0, 4. So that is 28,080. So these are the total number of cases in which I can frame these codes, right? Now you need to find the maximum number of codes one must try before cracking it. So these are the total number of codes. So maximum number of tries would be when the code lock is opened in the final try, right? So the maximum number of codes that one must try would be all the codes minus 1. That would be my answer. So correct answer would be, let me first just add these values. These would be 234, 000. So 0, 0, 0, 8 and 4, 12. 8 and 4, 12. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 3 is 11. And this would be 3. So 312 triple 0. And it would become 0, 8, 0. 8 and 8, 16. 7 and 2, 9. And 1, 10. 106, 080. 106, 080. So I get 080814. So 418080 are the total codes. If I subtract one way in which finally the lock opens, so the maximum number of tries could be 418079. So the correct answer to this question would be 418079.